How you doing, guys? We're over at East Fork Lake in a shelter over here. We decided on a spur of the moment to do a little picnic over here. A friend of mine called me and said, "Hey, you know that one big tree that has all them chicken mushrooms on it?" I said, "Yeah." He says, "Man," he said, "it's just loaded." So Karen said, "Let's go." So we did. And we're over here, and I decided, well, it's Wednesday, so why not make a cast iron Wednesday video and have a little picnic. So we decided to bring some hot dogs over, and I got some cheese and onions to put on them, some fresh tomatoes sliced up, and brought a can of this with us. So we're going to make some conies, and I hooked that with my little trusty P38, so it's got some jagged edges, but we're going to have a nice little meal. Karen found this bread the other day that's very low carb. It's got 9 grams of carbohydrates and 5 grams of fiber, so actually you're getting 4 grams of carbs in one slice. So it's called, I don't know if you ever heard of it, Sola bread, S-O-L-A, and it says sweet oat. So we're going to have some bread today.
Different brands of it too.
Have different varieties. So we're going to have some bread tonight, which we rarely have anymore because of our low carb kick. So we're just cooking up some dogs here in the pan. Brought our little wiener dog over with us, Sammie.
We're not cooking them.
No, we're not going to cook the wiener dog, even though we got wieners in the pan. But it's a nice place over here. They got a big wood hearth here in this main shelter. You can see it over there. And it's just a beautiful lake. I've been around this lake ever since they flooded this land back in the 70s. And used to be all farmland. There's a couple places where we used to party. A place called Twin Bridges over in Bethel. And real familiar with all this land over here. But they built this big lake over here. It's called William Harsha Lake, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. Great fishing, great beaches, nice boat ramps. One of the nicest things in Claremont County, I think. Yeah, and also camping, and they got a really nice campground, which we go to quite often. These are done. I'm going to put a few more in there before we shut this stove off. I think if we want a few more, I'll turn this pan down a little bit. She's smoking. Anyway, I don't know if you can hear in the background, but there's an airplane flying over. They fly over this lake all the time, these little single engine Pipers and Cups and whatnot, because it's a beautiful place to fly over. Want me to heat that salsa up? Yeah.
Yes, you wouldn't have to, but.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna have a little picnic here, and Mrs. Stone is sitting right over there. She doesn't like to be on camera, so we won't get her in the camera today, unless she wants to be. What do you think? Nope.
My hands have me.
Okay, she says she doesn't want to be in front of the camera, which I knew she wouldn't, but I have to ask anyway, you know? And these smell good. Good, good. Alrighty, I think they're done. I don't know if you guys can see these, but to me, they're about perfect. See there? A nice char on them. Beautiful. I'm gonna heat that coney sauce up.
You're gonna tear on corner.
Yeah, it wouldn't be the first time I've done that. Heat that up in my canteen, trusty canteen. Just a beautiful afternoon over here. We haven't been over here this late in a long time. We got some extra video of a bunch of deer that we seen on the way in. Of course, I had to stop and film them because they don't spook very easy over here. They're used to people. So we stopped and talked to the deer. I filmed 2 or 3 of them, but we've seen about, I think, 9 total deer driving back in. So, which is something we both enjoy, watching the deer. Usually we take a bunch of pictures. Today I took a bunch of video. Bubbling, but it ain't warm yet. If you want, guys, I'll turn you around and you can see the lake. Sorry about the jarring. There we go, guys. It's in the background here. I'll take you out. Beyond the shelter so you can see it. Just a gorgeous place. I know it's kind of dark, late in the afternoon, the sun's dropping. It's actually behind the trees now, but we got a bunch of seagulls here too, and they've been imported, I believe. They've been here about 15 or 20 years, so There's the little blue down there, my truck. So we're going to take you back. We're going to have us a little picnic, some conies, and got some barbecue pork rinds. That'll be a pretty decent little meal. There we go. Oh, sorry, we're back in place. Let's see if this coney sauce is warm enough to eat. I probably could have eaten it cold myself. Mama likes it warmed up. It is pretty good, better warm. Alright, I'm going to shut this off. I'll sit down here and make us a plate. Set this stove over here so it can cool. Get myself seated here, guys. I really wish Mrs. Stone would get on camera sometime. She doesn't like pictures. Well, I got coney on my face. Pretty typical, my beard's white nowadays and I spill stuff on it. Anyway. Gonna get on this picnic table. Oh. There we go. The doubles, tomatoes, onion, and cheese. We're gonna have a nice little picnic here. I'll probably keep you here for a couple seconds, maybe a minute or two. Show you what we're doing. Put my cheese right here. Pour that sauce right on. There you go. Oh, nice coney sauce. I've eaten this brand before, it's pretty good stuff. Some onions. Look pretty good. Alright guys, I'll show you what I have here. Yeah, you can see it pretty good, it looks like. Got some nice conies. What we call conies, it's a dog with coney sauce and onion and cheese. We like them that way here. So, let's give one a taste test. And then we'll let this video go. Oh yeah, good stuff. Well guys, I'm gonna shut this off and my wife and I are gonna have probably another 30 minutes or so to sit here and eat and relax and enjoy the scenery with our dog. So thanks for watching and Canteen Cup Wednesday. Thanks guys, see you later.